Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I've got a bit of a challenge today. So I'm here with my guy X10 LLB.
Yup.
We've got 15 minutes to make a full beat from scratch. So the plan is we're gonna have 2.5 minutes each, and then we have to keep swapping until the full 15 minutes is up. And then hopefully there'll be a sick beat at the end of it. What are we saying?
There'll be a sick beat at the end of it, I've got no doubt.
Yeah, we're confident. So let's get into it.
So what shall we do today?
So I did beat drill.
I was actually thinking we should do like an Ice Spice type beat. Do you know how fast that drill beat is? Bro, it's like 164.
Is it?
Bro, it's ridiculously quick.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Watch
Okay.
this.
Making an Ice Spice type beat. So 160.
Alright, we've got 2.5 minutes on the clock. There we go. You can see that.
Nice.
3, 2, 1,
go.
go.
Ooh.
That was kind of hard.
Ooh, sounds like some James Bond song.
Yeah, actually.
It's so fast.
So fast.
How many seconds?
This is waving.
25.
Pad, find me a pad.
That's James Bond. That's James Bond. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright,
Do you want to go next? Go
Alright, I can do
Go
it.
on.
we've got a bit of a start.
Mr. Bond, I've been expecting you. 1, 2, 3, time
Alright.
starts now.
Go.
Time we got left?
40 seconds.
Alright.
Go so quick.
Crow shit.
Maybe do render one of those things out.
Yeah, we'll have to. Yeah. We have time to spare.
See if we can
Render it.
Oh shit!
Render it then, bro. I'm gonna cut into my time, big man.
make a cup of tea and everything.
Yeah, bro, go on.
Okay, we're good.
Alright.
Render it then.
Right, the next 2 minutes and 30 starts now.
Okay. Right, I haven't got time to add real stuff back in. We're just gonna drums.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's not looking good, bruv.
You need my kits. Go
Where's-
to the vault.
Do you need my kids? How much longer have I got?
Oh, 20 seconds.
What?
So,
3, 2, 1, go. Please delete
shit.
that one,
It's eating up precious time. Okay, we're good.
You got plenty of time.
How much time I need to do slides?
You don't.
Alright, fuck it then. Oh, it's freezing.
Pressure
Is it me?
Pressure Mick Diamond.
Alright, so we've got 5 minutes in total. The last, second to last 2.5 minutes starts in 3, 2, 1, go. We need some arrangement as well at some point.
Yeah.
Don't leave it all down to me, man.
Yeah, maybe when you get to a minute.
Oh shit.
We'll work on some.
I'm sure you could be a nice man and use some of your time to separate the tracks out for me.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I don't have to do it. It's a simple beats though, man, isn't it?
Yeah, literally.
Actually hard though.
Don't go crazy.
Baba Bowie.
Fuck off.
50 seconds, maybe do like a quick arrangement.
Yeah. Okay, the room can. We've got everything lined up. I can go up. I can go fucking up.
No time
That's
to
the
move the
Cactus
positions.
Why are you moving it around?
Just so it's easy to arrange it when someone arranges it. Helping you guys here, right?
It's fine.
We're good. We've got a full beat.
Copy it out a
basically.
few times. Control A,
Right.
control B, yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right.
Right.
Sorry, boss.
Right, the final 2.5 minutes. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Where did the piano go, bruv? Oh, there, it's at the top.
Alright, 1 minute left. Seconds.
No, no, do.
6.
No.
5. Just a bit. 4. 3.
No.
Time. Good. Beat. Alright, let's hear the final thing.
How do you not think this went?
I think it went alright, you know.
Ours is a hard beat again.
That's what it was
Yeah.
again, man.
I think it's a placement beat.
That is crazy, man. Just simple, catchy.
Yeah. This is hard.
shit, fellas.
Yeah.
Well done.
Happy days. I Spice hit my line.
Hit his line.
My line's open.